my name is Sunny and I'm with healthyfastfoodstore.com. I've been a Sunrider distributor for over 16 years and I've been raised around Sunrider products most of my life. Now, it's no secret that since last year, a lot of us have started using hand sanitizers a lot more often, if not multiple times a day when we're out and about. But have you noticed that your hands start to get all dry and cracked after using the most hand sanitizers that often? So this is what I have been using lately and it's really made a difference. This is our Kandesn Hand Cleansing Gel. Now this is 70% alcohol like the guidelines have recommended, but this is different because it also contains a lot of essential oils and herbal extracts that keep your hands moisturized and soft. So what this is a plant-based hand cleansing gel. So I love it. It contains things like green tea extract, rosemary leaf extract, and tea tree oil. So it helps keep your hands nice and moisturized, even if you have to use it multiple times a day. And it smells great. So all you have to do, it just takes a dab because it's very concentrated. And you just put a little dab on. And this is the only hand sanitizer that I use on my kids. So again, the hand sanitizer gel from Kandesn is a plant-based gel that you're gonna want to use with your family. So to visit my website and buy your own hand cleansing gel, visit healthyfastfoodstore.com.